In this video, we're going to talk about getting into the trades. Why is that such a big deal? Well, you've heard the phrase man up. Today, it's time to trade up. Getting into an apprenticeship training program. This video is sponsored by Ferguson, and we teamed up with Ferguson because of everything they do for plumbers in the plumbing community. But really, it's all trades. And here's why. Ferguson actually has information to help people learn different ways to get into the trades. And I gotta tell you what, it's been great. I've loved looking through it and see what all they have, what all they offer, and all the different opportunities out there for so many different people. Billy Stutz talks about on the website about how to become a professional plumber. And when you go through this, it's great. And you can literally take that onto other things. If you want to become a professional HVAC technician, electrician, any type residential service trade or any type construction trade, there's great information in there to help you get in and help you learn. But today, let's talk about plumbers because, well, that's where I know the most about. So first of all, when you're thinking about getting into the trades, hopefully it's before you're out of high school or before you're out of college, and you can actually think about what kind of foundation you may want. Now, back whenever I was in school, they used to have drafting, they used to have workshops, meaning you could have woodworking, metalworking, cabinets, all kinds of different things that you could get in and learn to do. I gotta tell you, this is a great foundation for any of the trades because you get in and you learn how to work with your hands, how to work with tools, how to do things like this. So if you're one of these people, you're still in high school or you're just now going to college, you can start thinking about things that may help you in the trades. Now, the opportunity in the trades is phenomenal. There are so many open jobs right now, and over the next few years, these opportunities are even going to get better. Now, also, you make great money just coming out. You make great money just starting off in the trades. Literally, an introductory apprentice can make anywhere from $30,000 to $40,000, depending on where you're at. What a great place to start. So what kind of foundation work would you want done? Well, you probably want to study any math that you can, maybe any chemistry. I know that sounds weird, but yes, actually chemistry, science, stuff like that can help you in the trades. In any type shop work like that. If they have metalworking, woodworking, cabinet making, anything at all. Also, believe it or not, maybe something like FFA where you're part of an organization, you're part of a group. Because believe it or not, when you're in the trades, number one, it's a very prideful thing. And trades, man, you create your own group, your own community. But the good thing is, you learn to work well with other people. So if you're on team sports, anything at all like that, are part of an organization, that can actually help you. Now, another big tip, and this is something you may want to start out thinking about in high school, help keep your record clean. You do not want a DWI, depending on what it is, wherever you're growing up. Nothing about reckless driving, any moving violations. You want to kind of be careful about the tickets that you get. The reason being, if you come to work for a residential service provider like me, I'm going to do a background check on you. I'm going to do a driver's license check on you. The reason being, you're going to be driving my vehicles, and I need to know that you're going to treat them safe and well. If you have a bad driving record, it may make it hard for me to get insurance on you, or it may cost me more. So it might be smarter for me to look on to the next person. So start thinking about this at an early age. Now, misdemeanors, felonies, stuff like that, is probably not anything a company owner wants to see on your record either. And anything to do with drugs, we've got to look at that because think about this. We're sending you into our customers' homes and you're going in there to take care of them. So you really want to think about what your entire record looks like. Now, while you're in school, I'll talk about shop courses, but whenever you get out, if you know you're going in the trades and maybe you want to grow a little bit first, there's a couple of different ways to go. You can look at a company that's involved with an organization like PHCC and check with them and see what kind of training they have for the employees that come to work there. Or if you're strictly wanting to go commercial, maybe you look at the United Association, the Plumbers Union. And there's different training programs set up through each one, but you can look at them. The United Association also teaches pipe fitters, welders, and HVAC techs. So there's a lot of different opportunities over there. PHCC, plumbing, AC, everything involved there. So you've got two different organizations there that actually do training once you go to work for their member companies. Now, the neat thing about it is You can also go open shop. You don't have to have any training depending on where you're at or what kind of license you're trying to get. Here in Texas, you can actually go to work for an open shop company for 8,000 hours, 4 years, and get your journeyman license. If you're doing residential, you only need 4,000 hours, 2 years, to help get your tradesman license. That will allow you to work on single family or 2-family dwellings. So there's different opportunities out there and different ways to go once you decide you want to get into the trades. Now, if you do decide to get in the union, you may end up having to take an exam, an entrance exam, an aptitude test. They want to find out about you. What kind of skills do you have? Now, remember earlier I talked about taking math, taking science, taking things like that, and even the woodshop courses, anything at all in school. These may help you through this because it may ask questions like, what tools are you comfortable using? May ask you questions about math and reading a ruler and different things that if you take these courses, it's going to help you understand. Now, you can go to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics and actually find out information about what the different pays are in different places around the country. And it'll give you the median average. What do people make? Well, median average for salaries in the United States for tradespeople is about $50,000. Now, median average salary for people not in the trades is about $40,000. Now, those numbers are close, but that's a $10,000 difference. You can actually come put yourself in a position where you can get in and make good money right from the very beginning. Think about what I said earlier, $30,000 to $40,000 a year to start out. In some places in the country, the median salary is $40,000. You're going to start out in the middle and work your way well up above that. Now, there are other kind of specialty trades, carpenters, glazers, all kinds of different things that aren't just plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. So going to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics can help you find out some of those things. Now, there's other resources out there that I want to point you to, especially about plumbing. If you're interested in getting into plumbing, I'll actually put a link down below that'll take you to Ferguson.com site so that you can check on the regions of the country to find out more information about getting your plumbing license there. So if you're already in the trades, whether you're a journeyman or an apprentice, do me a favor and leave me a comment down below and let me know, did you go through either the union, PHCC, CEF, any kind of an organization, or did you go open shop? What did you do? And other things to think about, are you residential? Are you commercial? Are you service? Are you new construction? Are you union? Are you non-union? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what the benefits are of each. And make sure you click on the link below if you're interested in becoming a plumber to get some information about what area of the country you're in and where you need to go to get more information. Again, thank you to Ferguson.com, not just for sponsoring this video, not for just helping out plumbers, but for helping out people that want to get into the trades by this great information. So again, we will put this link in the description, so make sure you check it out and get the information you need. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. I'll see you in the next video if you don't get flushed.